Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Rewind class is unlocked and available. Once done, open loadouts and pick a balanced primary and secondary. Choose attachments that lower recoil and increase ADS speed, because stability matters when reversing engagements. Then add tactical gear that helps you escape, smoke, or stun, and a lethal for close pressure. Make sure to assign perks that boost movement and revive time. This first setup gets you ready to use the Rewind ability confidently in a match. Once your loadout is set, bind Rewind to a comfortable control so you can trigger it under pressure. Practice in the training range to learn the exact window. Notice how far the Rewind moves you and what state you return to, because timing defines whether you dodge damage or not. Then rehearse combos. Pop Rewind after peeking, or use it to reset when grenaded. Make sure to coordinate with teammates, as the ability can shift engagements in your favor when executed with intent. To finish, tweak HUD placement and sensitivity so your thumb naturally hits Rewind without losing aim. Small adjustments reduce fumbles. Play several live matches to confirm cooldown feels right and attachments still match your playstyle. Iterate by swapping a sight or faster magazine if reload windows hurt you. If Rewind seems unreliable, check control bindings first, then confirm the ability's cooldown, and lastly test your network. Latency can make inputs look like failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.